Time now for a bite of the week. Well, it's bites this evening, and they come from the sitting of the House of Representatives on Tuesday as parliamentarians clashed again over the seating arrangement for Westmoreland Central MP George Wright.
Madam Speaker, there is a stranger in our midst on this side of the House. On this side of the House.
Point of order. There is absolutely no point of principle of divergence between him and the governing side. He should not be among us on this side.
The opposition benches belong to any member of parliament who is not a member of the ruling party. As it stands now, regardless of the inferences, regardless of the opinions of anybody, the member George Wright is not a member of the governing party.